Well, good afternoon. We're working on the LB. We got the trying to get this head off here. We're working on my other LB, trying to grind some feed. Still got a blockage in the fuel line in it. That's the one I primarily use. I may just order a gas tank for it. So here's the bottom of the carburetor here. I wanted to look at everything before I ordered any parts so I save on shipping. Yeah, that's free now. Alright, look through my manual and there's two more bolts, best I can tell, about right in there, that have to come out too in order to get the head off. I don't have no earthly idea how that's supposed to come off. Maybe a wrench, I guess, from the bottom. You ain't gonna get no socket in there. I bet you ain't gonna be no 9/16. You know, you ain't gonna get no wrench in there neither. Oh, it's like a 3/4 or something. I gotta get it off this side anyway to change the rocker arm. Back in my manual here. Okay, now we're cooking. Let's get that. Spring right there. There we go. Little button. Oh! I hurt. It's under some kind of tension now. Somebody run over some dog poop. I'll smell it. Stinks. Well, I hate y'all missed it. Basically, just get some big heavy pliers and clamp on it and wiggle it, and it'll come out. Well, I spent 15 minutes on it. So. Now, let's finish taking the head off here. I'll be sure to video it whenever I put it back on. The reason we're doing this is take the head off so we maybe get the valve done stuck. And I have to order gaskets and stuff. That's no problem. just let that drain. That's from the oil in the. As you can see, they stuck like Chuck. So I think it's gonna be a complete rebuild. They got them. They're about $40 a piece. But there's some crud in this one. There's critters and stuff. I can set them in some oil. Take a bucket of oil and soak them. You can see they both stuck open. Get this one done. Heck, next one will be some back to you. I'll remember all this stuff. Just trying to save on shipping on all this stuff. Look at it now, see what's going on with it. Save on shipping. Piston looks pretty rusted up too. Pitted. Clean that real good. Just leave it in there, clean it where it's at. Alright, last battery, so let's see how much crud's on this thing here. I can so yeah, now I know how to get the. That won't be near as bad going in next time, or taking out anything else. Just the head and valves are both stuck open. Probably do is, I ain't got one of those valve depressing tools. We got to get some more anyway, so probably spray it down and then we'll give it a little taparoo, and then we'll see if that'll work. If not, then we'll order some more. No big deal. Put some oil out this way. They just got some rust on them. Carbon buildup. That was more rusty. That's on the intake side. Let's see if we can get a better light in here next time. We can break free and we'll just leave it alone. That one, the exhaust don't look like it's that bad, so it may have been changed already. I mean, I don't know. sprayed it down a little bit. Cleaned out a bunch of crud. I got some safety glasses on now. I think all this is mainly just stuck in the spring right here. Just ought to have safety glasses on all the time. You only get one set of eyes, you know. Get all this crud out of it. It may open up or close. Broke off, I guess, yeah. Let's see. Are you watching? Looks like they opened up further, didn't they? Hey, a little bit of movement's good movement. I don't want to tap these too much. So let's use a screwdriver. Let's see. That way? Or that way? That way?
Yeah.
Oh, here comes Dad. I hear him coming back now. Trying to get these valves. The valves are stuck open. Trying to get them moved back. These valves are like 40 bucks a piece. I've got them to go inward more by tapping.